Today we're talking about the best evidence ever so far for life on Mars, or ancient life on Mars anyways. This is our advanced video for September the 12th, 2025. It's a Friday, okay? I like this type of interesting news, which I think is good. But let's see. Evidence, compounds, matter, not. Let's see. Samples, costs, interest, exploration, life, and challenges. I don't think there's too much, difficult words to go through today. You can see here, this is supposed to be Mars. Our AI pick is showing us Mars, right? And let's see, they're grabbing something. Let's see what it's about. NASA's Perseverance, all right? Perseverance Mars Rover, that's the name of the rover, has discovered rocks in a dry river channel that may hold the strongest evidence yet of ancient microscopic life on Mars. The samples collected from the, Neretva Vallis region, right? The Neretva, right? If my pronunciation is incorrect and you're working at NASA, tell me. Vallis region contain organic compounds and tiny formations dubbed poppy seeds and leopard spots, which are rich in iron phosphate and iron sulfide. On Earth, these chemicals are often created when microorganisms break down organic matter. Scientists stress that while this finding is exciting, it is not definitive proof of life and could have non-biological explanations. The rover, which has been exploring Mars since 2021, has now collected 30 samples for future study. However, NASA's plan to return these samples to Earth has been delayed due to rising costs, pushing the timeline into the 2040s. It's going to be a long time before we know. This discovery has sparked global interest, highlighting the challenges of space exploration, funding, and the search for extraterrestrial life. Hopefully we don't need to wait until then. But what did NASA's Perseverance rover recently discover on Mars? Where were the potentially significant samples collected from? How many total samples has Perseverance collected so far? Why is NASA's plan to return the samples to Earth delayed? And what does the discovery highlight beyond the possibility of ancient life? Today's legal word sentence. Oh, he's been sentenced, so he's sad. And then another sentence. You know this sentence if you're studying grammar. Legal sentence. The punishment given by a judge to someone found guilty of a crime. So it's a punishment. And then non-legal sentence, a group of words that express a complete thought in writing or speech, right? Every sentence needs a verb. All right, sentence, we have the spelling here to the left. There's two syllables. The first one has the emphasis N, sen. And then we have 10, just like the number 10, right? Just like the number 10, tense, right? You don't want to say a Z sound. It's not tens, it's tense. Sentence, just like that. Sentence. The judge gave the thief a 5-year prison sentence. Please write a complete sentence, not just a single word. All right, weather. Mumbai, India, high of 30, low of 26, and there will be heavy monsoon showers for Lima, Peru, high of 20, low of 15, and it will be cloudy with lingering fog. Seoul, South Korea, high of 20, low of 21. It will be warm with scattered afternoon showers. That's it, guys. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.